Hello there. Do you want to make a member of the Spanish Inquisition out of LEGO? Well, you've come to the right place, my friend. Let's begin. The legs and the torso come from this Royal Guard minifigure. The next minifigure is another guard, but this time it's the Emperor's, and you're going to want the hands and 3 of the capes. We have Iron Man next, and you're going to want to take his face. The last minifigure is the Swashbuckler, and you're going to want to take his hat. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should now hopefully look like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a moment to build your minifigure. Overall, quite pleased with this minifigure, and now one of my friends can stop asking me every day. If you have any ideas for any future minifigures that you'd like to see me put together, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, it'd be very wizard if you could hit the like button, and if you really enjoyed this video, it would be awesome if you could subscribe. Thanks everybody. You're still here? Well, maybe you could check out my Walter White video if you like memes. Thank you for watching once again. I will see you there.